Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to put your business location on your Google Map. So this method will be work on Android and iOS device. So simply open your Google Map and just select an area and long press. Okay, then you get this interface. Just scroll down, showing you to add your business to map for free. Make sure to open and enter the business name. Okay, and select the business category. Press on next. Select the yes, press on next. Select country or region, state area. Okay, and you just fill up this form, press on next. Or select of this. Press on next. Select the area, press on next. Press on yes to next. Press on next and enter your phone number for verification. Okay, and press on to yes and next. And overall setup. And finally press on get start. Press on next. Select on next. Press on next and you just fill up this form. Press on next. If you want to add image, press on next. Okay, and you just check your all select, press on apply. And now finally set up this. So that's it, that's how you can do it.